Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. So friends, today I am showing how to make adenium plant repotting an ideal potting mix. Friends, you can see I picked up the plant from the pot. This time we will clean the soil at the base of the plant and soak it in water for 30 minutes. Because the root ball of the plant needs to be cleaned well. After 30 minutes, we will see that base of the plants has cleared. This time, we will prune the roots of the plant if necessary. Then we will apply fungicide on the cutting part of the roots. Then we will hang these adenium plants in a shady place for 7 to 10 days. You can see I have collected sand pebbles, river sand, vermicompost, gardening soil, bone meal dust, neem cake dust and wood coal or charcoal. Now I am making potting mix. 1 part sand pebbles, 1 part vermicompost, 1 part gardening soil, 1 part river sand, and also add 3 tablespoons bone meal dust, 3 tablespoons neem cake dust, 1 handful charcoal or wood coal. Now I will mix well in this potting mix. If you are planting in this soil, you can keep the plant outdoor all year round. You see, this is a terracotta pot. I will use 4 broken terracotta pot chips for drainage holes. Now I am putting some big size sand pebbles, at least a 2-inch layer at the bottom. Now putting all this soil mixture in this pot. So you can see that the roots of the adenium plant have dried up, and now we will transplant this plant. This time we will give the plant sufficient water. You can also be watering the plant with Epsom salt solution to defend against this transplant shock. So friends, now this plant plays in good indirect sunlight at least for a week. After 7 days, we will keep the plant in full sunlight. After 20 days, you can see that new leaves have come out of the plant. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, and if you like it, you must click a thumbs up, share and also comment on this video in this comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel.